Can a small car jumpstart a large car? Imagine your friend's big truck suddenly won't start, and you're wondering if your tiny compact car can help. It's a common question, especially for teens learning about car ownership and driving. The answer is yes. A small car can sometimes jumpstart a large car, but there are important details to keep in mind. The main factor is whether the small car's battery and electrical system can provide enough power to start the bigger engine. Large vehicles like trucks and SUVs have bigger engines that need more energy to turn over. Their batteries are often larger and have higher cold cranking amps, which is the measure of how much current the battery can deliver at cold temperatures. A small car's battery might be designed for a smaller engine, so it might not have enough power if it's weak or drained. To successfully jumpstart a large vehicle with a small one, the small car's battery must be fully charged and in good condition. Proper connection is also key. Always connect the positive terminal of the small car's battery to the positive terminal of the large car's battery. Then connect the negative terminal of the small car's battery to a grounded metal part on the large vehicle, away from the battery itself. This helps prevent sparks or explosions. It's also smart to turn off all electrical accessories in both vehicles before connecting the cables. Using portable jump starters is another option. These small devices are designed to safely jumpstart cars of different sizes and are easy to carry in your glove box. They come with instructions that tell you which size is right for your vehicle. Checking your vehicle's owner's manual is a good idea too. It will tell you if your car can handle a jumpstart from a smaller vehicle and any special procedures to follow. Modern cars have complex electrical systems, so improper jump starting can cause damage. If the small car's battery isn't strong enough, or if the connections aren't correct, you risk harming the electrical parts. For teenagers learning to drive, it's best to understand these safety steps. Always make sure the small car's battery is healthy before trying to jumpstart a larger vehicle. If you're unsure or uncomfortable, it's better to ask an adult or call roadside assistance. Carrying a portable jump starter that matches your car's size is a safer option for emergencies. Remember, while a small car can sometimes jumpstart a large one, it depends on the battery's power, proper technique, and safety precautions. Learning how to do this correctly is part of becoming a confident, responsible driver.